Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BSPM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice move today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and biggest volume this chart has had in quite a while. So let's map out some levels of support, then we can talk about areas of resistance. First area is what I would call the ideal level of support. I mean, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be right there at the $2 mark, which is essentially, I guess it closed 1 penny above there. But you go through the history of the day, and you can see that on numerous occasions, the bears have tried to press down below that level, again, including the final 30 minutes, and so far so good. The bulls have been doing a great job of holding strong, as you know, at $2. So that would definitely be the preferable area. That would make the chart look the strongest going forward. Now, if the price does fall below it, am I saying that the entire chart's ruined? No, I'm not saying that at all. That would just, again, kind of be the biggest sign of power for the bulls being or going forward. Now, as far as the grand scheme of things perspective, that is where the purple line here comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. And as the name implies, moving average. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So if you're somebody that's sitting there saying, look, Clay, I just want a very cut and dry way to measure the health of the move. You know, this right here being defined as the move. How do you gauge the strength of that? Like I said, going back to that purple line, as that purple line moves itself higher and higher, as long as the price stays above that purple line, then the bulls are in full strength, full health, however you can best visualize that. No questions asked. Again, yeah, you want to see it stay above $2, but if it doesn't from the big picture perspective, you do still have an opportunity to stay up above that purple line, which matters, you know, as far as the overall trend is concerned. What about areas of resistance? As far as areas of resistance are concerned, all about that level right up there at $2.35. And, you know, yeah, that level matters, but at the same time, it doesn't, because in my opinion, top priority is not breaking levels of resistance. Top priority is just going through a healthy consolidation and building a higher base, because as long as those higher bases are being built over time, the long-term overall chart will take care of itself. So nice move today. We'll see how the price continues to unfold. Still 4 days left. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.